as we say, we're outside. Yeah, man. So the machine them ready now. Well, I'm showing you what I'm going with the machine them. Alright, so everybody up on the machine, up on the machine. Yeah, man, so my machine there. Alright. Alright, Amy, you ready? Alright, that's my rough riders over there. Alright. Turn on your lights. It's on at the bottom of the thing. Man, damn it. If you want to drive some, you drive some, I drive some. Alright, guys, so Sophie let me to drive. Shit. Oh shit. I don't damn know. The oak must be on the outside. Oh boy. Alright, so hold the camera.
Got it. Thank you.
Hold the camera. Right. Don't use a finger and block there.
Get it? Make sure you don't hit nothing, because we have to pay for it. Y'all see him? Y'all see it? Lord Jesus.
And the east side put a mouth up there, right? Oh shit.
Yeah, just close it. You got it. Here you go. How you close this door?
Looks like they got a nigger ring.
Oh yeah. We gonna fall out of this.
Where you going? Look, where you going? Where you going?
It sounds like you're going about 200 miles an hour.
Where you going?
Child, nowhere. To the hospital.
Give me a leg, please. Oh, that's probably what I get it for.
Yes, sir. Don't worry about it.
Yeah, you got to worry about it. You got to have safety in it.
I'm going over it anyway.
No, you got to make sure you're in this thing. And how did you drive it? This is our first time ever driving this thing.
But you ain't driving.
He don't know how to drive it either. This is his first time. Is it just like a car?
Yep. But that ball head man about to come show you.
Oh, okay.
That slide up a little bit too. Say, bro, how I drive this?
So how you slide?
You know how to slide up.
I was like, you gonna slide up.
So listen, put it in high.
Hi.
Yeah.
What's high? Up here?
Put your foot on the brake.
Put your foot on the brake like a car.
Put it in high. I think you in high. It looked like you were in high. Is it on the H?
It's on the H.
H.
Okay, so put your gas in it.
Oh, just a little bit in it. No, you ain't in it. No, you ain't in it. It's H though.
No, but it seems like maybe something up, emergency or something.
Take your foot off the brake.
I see my foot off the brake.
Okay, put your foot on the gas.
On the gas. Go. Keep the steering wheel this way. Go! 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 Now stop when you get close to him. But that I don't want that dirt and stuff all in my hair. Huh, Aisha, Mike, I gonna give you yours. His. Hey, y'all gonna tell us how to drive this?
The man go stop the camera. Alright guys, so everybody moving off now. I'm gonna be the last one at the back. At the back. So hold the camera, Sophie. Hold the camera. Don't use it on unblock the lens. at the back.
Yeah, we're in the dune buggy. Careful, Benny.
They put us all the way at the back.
Careful, Benny. Stop!
You sure ain't stopping?
Put your foot back on the brake.
My foot was on the brake.
Goodness, Ben. He got to get back over there. You got to pay attention. You got to stop.
Sophie, my foot was on the brake, but I listen, it's my first time. I didn't know you got to mash it out there. I got to shade it and stop.
Yeah, you got to push on the brake just like when you in your car. Oh, y'all.
Guys, it's my first time. Don't be too harsh on me.
Y'all see the crash dummy? He really crashing.
Huh? We got. No, we good. I gotta be at the back.
No, but his foot had slid off the pedal. That's the truth.
Alright guys, so to the park, you have an entrance to the park. So we gotta show our armband to show that yes, we paid to enter. So that's what they're doing now, checking everybody armband. And guys, if you come to Houston, you can look out for this place. It's called All Star ATV Rentals.
Don't get up on Isha. Hit the brake before you get up on her. You go up a little bit more.
Yo.
Wait, the lava see this. Lava. Check out your cousin driving the ATV.
Man, this is crazy. this wanna do what it wanna do. He ain't taking what I try to make it do. But it's alright. It's alright, guys. Yo, mother's thing this. Night ATV, body's thing. We don't need to try it. We don't need to try it.
Go ahead. Go up a little bit more.
Oh Lord. I would rather do this in the daytime though, but the night that ain't bad. It ain't too bad. As I said, guys, we're right here now at the checkpoint. You know what I mean? They're checking if everybody got their brace, their wristbands on. And then we just enjoy the park. You know what I mean? Come down to Houston, guys. $140 for $120 for one. If you're riding them big one, them little ones. And for this big double one, it's $240.
Yeah, $240, yeah.
It's really $200, but if it's two person, you gotta pay $240.
Stop to show you. Come over a little bit, baby. Come up. I'm telling you to come up. Interested in camping, you can always camp out here too. They have all kind of recreation and outdoor things you can do here. It's a big old place out here. Plenty of parking, plenty of space if you want to, park your ATV and, it's just a nice place. Like you say, Houston is lit. A lot of things to do. What'd you say?
good. Nice niggas.
You want to come over? You said come over here? Come over there, babe. Park over here. Come over there, babe.
Alright guys. We stop. I don't know why the reason we stop, but
Stop. Yeah, the pole up there.
we stop. I guess some other riders coming from another section. They turning back, so we just giving them away. I guess that's how it is. So as we said, just go and enjoy the adventure, man. As I say, people, wanna have to come check that one here. Oh, the night riding ATV in a Houston, and it's not normal. It's crazy. Crazy. My first time driving the Doom buggy. Oh Lord, I tell you. Alright. You think epic, but I lie. Epic. I think the Doom buggy is more fun than the actual four-wheelers them. To me, that's how me feel. I don't know. If you say the four-wheeler is more fun, drop it in the comment section. You know what I mean?
I think the Doom buggy, like you get ready to do buggy.
Yeah, the Doom buggy to me is more fun, way more fun. Alright, so the people them. Alright.
The Doom buggy.
Everybody there.
And we not Doom buggy. We're the only ones not crewing the Doom buggy. The rest of them on the bike.
Alright. So.
Most of them different ways to go to this, but there's another path there.
So it seems like they're taking another way back to where we're coming from, our starting point. Yeah man, but some my team, yeah. Some my team, yeah, people, so. Alright, we are going to move. Alright, so hold the camera. Hold the camera. We don't think we'll move it, because I see some gone and some still break up, so we still want to go on.
Look at the refight,
Alright people, so we stop again at another point, you know what I mean? They checking on everybody just to make sure everybody alright. So here we go again.
I think you should stay behind. And the other one stay in the front and one stay behind.
But he's the one who should be behind.
Yeah,
but
he need to be behind instead of in front of everybody because something happens. He's way up there. He needs to stay behind.
Alright people, so we're gone again. Check. Alright, Amy, I see you. Alright. See behind now?
Yeah, that's like
I think we're turning back now. But another way. Because a couple of people rub them out. You see how the tree they rub off. And they got a couple of wrecks.
It's narrow.
So that's what makes it adventurous. You see, as soon as we get a whole of the gas in the feel like you see me now boom again. Like when we just start. Alright people, we're outside Houston, Texas. Oh Lord, we are telling you, the vibe just different. The vibe different. Out of all my life, I spend money. This is $140 I've ever spent. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't capping.
Come to Houston. Hey, it ain't cheap, but it's fun. I can tell you that. It's gorgeous, but baby, it's fun.
Yeah. If you're coming to Houston, you can't come shake in the pocket.
Baby, you'll go back and broke.
Yeah. You gotta make sure them bills taken care of before you come.
Before you come.
Cause you can't come with the bills money, and you ain't gonna got none when you go. Man, them lights gonna be off, them water gonna be off. Everything. People, look at this. Ain't this fun? Make sure you catch everything. Ain't this fun, people? Look, in the middle of the water, we stop.
So, Jack, keep your foot on it. Jack, keep your foot on it. But then it'll flood out. While I'm out with it.
Alright, people, so we're turning. We're turning.
What a maze this is. Oh, God.
Man, I'm just sorry it weren't like daytime, so you all could see everything.
I'm nervous.
I'm just sorry it wasn't daytime, so you all could see everything, people. Because if it's this fun in the night, I know it must be crazier fun in the daytime.
I think I'd rather the day than night.
But now it's like about 9 o'clock. If it's not later than 9, what time is it? I know it's like about 9 o'clock now at night. Alright, we stop again. Maybe people up front navigating because some part of the terrain are very narrow and real raggedy. So, but that's what makes dirt bikes and four-wheelers and dune buggies fun to ride, you know what I mean? So, as I said, mud all over your face, mud up on your lip, mud all over. It's just fun. Stop it there. Alright guys, so one moment but the party got stuck. Come on, get with it, man. That's what I say. Come on, Hook, get with it. People, this fun. When I say this fun, it's fun. They better lift that out. Man, I love this, people. I love this. Yeah. Look at that, man. Look right there. Damn, boy. I can't say it enough, guys. When y'all come to Houston, check this out. You gotta check this out. All-Star ATV rentals. You gotta check this out. Gotta check this out. Where is you going? Y'all enjoying the adventure? Uh-huh. They ain't get it out.
They muddy up. They all muddy.
These make me want a four-wheeler, boy.
Now, wherever you live in the country, you can. But they dangerous at the time.
This let me want a four-wheeler. A four-wheeler is safer than a regular bike.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so we're back on the better part of the road. When I say better, not much better, but
It ain't swampy.
it ain't really swampy as what we're coming out of just now. This part is dry but still raggedy. Yes guys, so and you gotta pick where you drive. You can't drive anywhere because you will get stuck.
Y'all fall off or something.
About 4 people got stuck so far. I gotta get pulled out. Kind of race stuff off of the good. Too much of the red. Yes guys, as I said, I surprised myself because I didn't know that I could really drive this thing. It's my first time. Woo! He's trying to hold that damn brake.
Woo, you better hold your brake. Ooh, I did. How did Amanda get up here?
But I can't stop here stuck. Because she can't stop right there, so maybe something else happened. Oh God. Guys, and these clothes staying in Houston. I ain't taking these bad boys over with me.
Your clothes wet?
Mud. I gotta show you a clip of my, check my hands. Look, and that's just my hands, look there. I tell people, this fun. When I say fun, it's fun. All I want to do now when I go home is just, when I go back to the hotel is just, Isha, watch that door. Yeah, all I want to do is just get something to eat, get me a shower, get me something to eat, and that's it. I'm tired. This is where I tired me out.
Stop.
Yep. Alright people, stop. The ride almost at its end point. You know what I mean? And I got to say we all back in one piece. We're all back safely. Yes. Go up, Bert.
Home Brown. Home Ben Brown.
All right. Ah. Woo. ATV in the woods. 10 o'clock at night. Huh? What more fun can you ask, huh? You tell me. So if you're gonna rate me, no, but me a big driver, you know? You're gonna rate me, man. People, my wife don't believe in me one bit.
No, he's doing good, but he just got to get put on the pedal and move like somebody. He did a great job. It'll be your first time. I can give you props. I can give you some down.
All right, Bert, I see you skating.
Go on, Bert.
I see you.
You say you're doing your thing, Bert.
You got it. go.
You ready?
Exhibition, people. Exhibition. One rider. Exhibition.
I'm gonna beat his ass out here. I just saw him. He's got that dirt in my eye.
It's so hard. I don't know where he's at.
Alright people, so like one of the bikes, I don't know what happened to it because I'm all the way to the extreme back.
They got stuck in the
One of them got stuck, so they up there trying to figure out how to get out the mud. But nevertheless, it's a vibe around here same way, you know what I mean? The guys them freestyling, doing their thing. It's a joy around here, man. Crazy riders. Alright guys, so we're back almost to the starting point. We're back almost to the starting point, people. So what did I tell you? It was an epic adventure. Real epic adventure. This was fun.
But do it in the daytime.
I would recommend anybody to do this, boy. Anybody to do this. If you're not scary like my wife over here, come and enjoy yourself because she's scary.
I am not originally a country girl. I live in the country, but I am from the north. The northern, y'all know we don't do the damn country.
She worrying about what gonna come out the woods.
Yeah, all right.
Look at that, people. All kind of big trucks out here. And everything. Alright, so we exit on to the right. This adventure is right next to the highway. I think that's Highway 69 in Houston, Texas, if I'm not mistaken. Yes.
What's the name of it? Do you remember? I don't remember.
Yes, the name of the adventure is All-Star ATV Rentals.
Houston, Texas, baby.
Houston, Texas. When I said this epic, it's epic. Can tell at the start of the vlog how it was bright, you know what I mean? It was bright. Now it's dark as hell. Dark. It's almost, it's 9:28 now.
So we've been out there maybe an hour and a half.
Yeah. 9:28. I mean, you just gotta look them up. I think they're on Instagram. Just look them up and get their number and just reach out to them, and they're good people, and just book a reservation.
But as I say again, come. It's very nice, like you said. It's very nice. But if you're not a nighttime person and you're not a wood person, I would advise you. I would advise you to do it in the daytime. Don't do it at night. But either way, it's gonna be fun. You know, even if you
Guys, check out Sophie in her goggles.
I was like this. Let me show y'all my gear. Cause baby, you're gonna need all this.
Catch Sophie.
Come to Houston and enjoy.
Alright guys, so let's move off again. Guys, I tell you, this Doom buggy is fun to drive. When I say fun, it's fun. If you prefer the four-wheelers, you can do that. But when I come back, I think the Doom buggy gonna be my thing again. I love it. I love it, boy. With them dirt bikes, them four-wheelers were stuck, the Doom buggy just go through with ease.
And those are easy to slide. You shouldn't be sliding, but this right here go right on over.
I wonder if I should park behind here or go around.